So guys, quite a while most of you just asking me which launcher I use on my smartphones and how I'm able to get all of that widget option without even rooting my Android device and get the Google Pixel 2 look. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the Google Pixel 2 look without even rooting your Android device and installing any crap applications. So just follow all the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video and also install all of that application that needed for getting the Google Pixel 2 look on your basic Android device. You don't need a premium flagship. If your device runs Android OS, then you can definitely do that. So just follow the steps. So guys, first of all, you only have to do three things. Just head over to Play Store and download this three application called Another Widget, Nova Launcher Prime application with Tesla Unread, which I'm gonna drop all the links in the description box, and the Pixel IP theme. Now first of all, after setting the launcher, just go to the swipe up option and all of that. And if your device directly not support any launcher, just don't panic, just go to settings and go to the app option and go to the default apps and set the launcher to Nova Launcher Prime. So that's all you have to do. As you can see, it is quite similar to the Google Pixel 2, but the icons and the widgets are not quite similar to the Google Pixel 2 look. So for that, you all have to do it manually. Just press the home screen, go to the widget option settings and go to the desktop grid and set it to 8 and 5 rows and column settings. So that's all you have to do, and change the icon layout and just turn down or turn off the label and change it to 115% the size of the icons on the desktop. Now just go back and set the app and widget options and go to the drawer and set it to the 7 and 5, that's the similar thing. And now just go to the icon layout and don't turn off the label and set the icon size to 110 and turn off the swipe indicator option, and that's all you have to do, and set the background transparent to 5%. So guys, that's all you have to do. Now go to the dock. We don't need dock as now we are going to show you how to change it to Pixel 2. So just turn off the dock and go to the folder option and check it to stack Android field and set it to the Pixel launcher. Just go back and go to the look and feel where you only have to tap the Pixel IP. So definitely gonna install the Pixel IP theme, which I'm also dropping all the links in the description. So make sure to install all of that. Just go to the swipe up option in the gesture setting and set it the app drawer. Go to the notification badge, set it to the dock and give all the permission it needs. It don't gonna break your Android device or any type of issue. So that's all you have to do, guys. And now if I press the home screen, now you don't can see that it is fully changed. So just go to the app drawer option and drag down 5 applications that you mostly use and frequently use on your smartphone. So I use the Gmail, Gmaps, Google Maps and YouTube. So YouTube is my favorite application, guys. As I'm a YouTuber, small or big it don't matter, but as I'm a YouTuber I like YouTube videos, so I frequently use YouTube, so I place that. Now setting the Google search bar, you only have to set it the edit option and go to the editing and set the transparency label to 10 to 12% and set the resize option, and that's all you have to do. Set it to resize and just drag down to the bottom. Now as you can see, it is fully looked like the Google Pixel 2 device, but there are some few things missing here. The clock widget, which I'm going to show you. So download this and another widget application where you get the more and more option for the weather, clock and all of that. Just set the first row text size and text shadow, just set it to the low, and also you can show the clock, but I don't like the clock, so I'm gonna turn off that. You can also set the Google events, guys. With this application you can also do that, and also tap on the date and default application, so you can also do that for calendar or clock. When you tap that application, it will directly take you to that application. And also you can change the Celsius and Fahrenheit and also refresh rate for the weathers. So that's all the options get with this application. Just go to the widgets and set that widget on your home screen. So guys, that's all you have to do to get the Google Pixel 2 theme on any Android device without breaking your device or root your device. So now as you can see, the device quite look like that, and also pressing the icons, it will give all of that widget options that also you find on any other Google Android devices, which are the premium flagships from Google. So to get all of that icons, just press that icon, go to the options and edit that icon with the Pixel IP theme. As you can see in this video, just follow all the steps and it will more easy to get all of that things done. So just swipe to the bottom and there you get all the stock Android icon packs. Also you can get the Android launcher and all of that things, and that's what you have to do. Even pressing the YouTube application, as you can see guys, you get the subscription, trending and search bar, all of that option, and pressing down the Gmail and Gmaps, it will take to the home and all of that. So that's all the widget option you get with this new launcher. So do what you see in this video and follow all of that steps. As you can see, pressing down the camera application, you can directly take selfies and directly jump into the video section and all of that, the wide aperture mode and all of that. If your device support Android Oreo or Android 7.1, it will give you maybe all of that permission directly give it to. You don't need to download any third-party application, all that. So guys, follow all that steps and your device definitely gonna look like this. I'm also gonna drop all that links for the stock Android wallpapers of the Google Pixel 2. So guys, definitely check out the description box and install all of that application that needed to get you the Google Pixel 2 look on your basic Android device. You don't need a premium flagship guys, remember that. If your device runs on Android, you can do that without any hassles. So just follow these steps and install all of that application needed to get you the look. So guys, I hope this video will help most of the people, and if you ended up liking this video, then definitely subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.